Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, the upcoming Apple new series of the iPhone 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max to have a 120 Hz AMOLED screen made by Samsung. This is a latest leaks come out for the upcoming iPhone 13 series. We have been hearing that the fact that iPhones are going to 120 Hz this year for a while now, and today a new report from Korea basically confirmed that, while adding some intriguing new info. Only the iPhone 13 Pro and the Pro Max are said to get the new LTPO AMOLED screen with a 120 Hz refresh rate, and these will be made by exclusive by Samsung Display. Not just that, but the Samsung electromechanics will supply the rich flexible printed circuit board. So these are used to connect the OLED panel to the main board. RFPCB is rigid but can be folded, which allow for more convenient product design, divide of unsightly chins, as well as a faster transmission of electric signal. RFPCBs are more expensive than more traditional FPCBs. Samsung Electromechanics had considered exiting the RF PCB business last year because it has not seen a profit in the past couple of years. The last product is supplied board for was the iPhone 12, and apparently an exit might still happen after the iPhone 13 generation. Samsung Display is expected to supply 110 million panels for the iPhone this year, followed by the LG Display with a 50 million and a BOE with a 9 million units. So this is the latest report about the upcoming iPhone 13 series. Let me know in the comment section, are you excited for the upcoming iPhone 13? And this will come with a 120 Hz smooth refresh rate. So I'll see you in my next video, guys. Make sure to like, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.